Today I'm going to show you how to file KRA returns. Probably you have a P9 form which automatically, if you are employed by government or NGO or private companies, they usually issue you with a P9. Here we have the total income, we have the deductions from your employee. As you can see, we have months, the income, the deductions, and then we have MRP. So I'm going to show you through Excel sheet how you go it through, and then you submit your returns. If you are employed or not employed, you have to file your KRA returns. Failure, you will get penalized at 2,000 every year for being non-filer or late filing. Remember, filing your returns, these are mandatory. Every January, you keep on mind that you have to file your KRA returns. You need your KRA PIN. You also need to have a password to log into KRA PIN, of which, if you remember, you can reset it and get your password so that you can get into your account, so that you can do your returns. Now you can enter your KRA PIN here. After keying your KRA PIN, you can press continue. And then click login. After logging in, just go to return menu, and at the drop down click on file return. Here we go. We have another window here. Now you can see we have some information there. Go down to number 5 where we have click on submit to file returns version 1801. Currently that is what we are having. So click here to download the income tax. I can prefer you choose the first one, which is from Excel sheet, and a small window will just open in a zip folder. Click OK to save. You can check on your downloads. Here we have it here, already downloaded. Click to open. You can minimize your window now. Here we have a zipped folder which is opened. Click and drag the file inside and drag it on your desktop. In this case I'm having another one, so I have to just replace it. Here we go. Minimize the small window. Here we have the file, which is ITI individual, that is income tax individual. Double click on it to open. Yeah, as you can see now, our Excel sheet is opened, but still not fully opened. Remember to click on enable editing. If you don't do that, it won't be editable, so you won't be able to file your returns. Click edit, enable editing. From there we have a warning color here, which is enable content. So just click it, wait for it to open. Yes, there we go, it has opened. As you can see, we have an alert pop-up which tells you that please do not cut, add, paste any value in the workbook. So click OK. Here on this first cell, you are supposed to enter your KRA PIN, then click on original, and then key in the return period from and return period to, where The return period, if you have been filing your returns, it will be 0101. The year you can enter, for example, 2020, and return period 2 should be 31st 12 2020. After that, you don't have to do anything else unless, so just scroll down and go to a section, to a button where it is telling you next. In this one, you have to enter the KRA pin of your employer, the employer name, gross pay, and then for this part, for a quite number of employees, you have to fill 0, 0. But you can see here we have pension if in excess of 300,000. So this video, it is prepared for those who are in a pension which is not in excess of 300,000. So you have to fill these nil. But if you have a housing allowance and others, or car allowances, you can just fill that part. When you are done, you just scroll to the next button and choose the down arrow. Here what will appear there, it is the employer pin that you entered in the other page, and then you have to key in your employer name. Then we have the taxable salary on your P9. You are going to see that value there. Then we have the tax payable on taxable salary. Go to your P9 and you see it there. And then we have pay. If you're done with that, you can go to next and then scroll down again, next. And then in this part, as you can see, we have these column number 5, the defined pension contribution. You have to enter the pension contribution there, and then you go to personal relief, enter the value on your P9. In this part, number 14, you are going to see now the calculation done by your Excel sheet, and here it is your tax due or tax deferred. Just click validate and you are done with the Excel sheet. After the validation, the Excel sheet will save a copy in a zipped folder, and there is a window that will pop up that will tell you where the file has been saved. In most of the cases, it is saved on my document. Here we have an example of it. Here it is. So after that, we just go back to our KRA portal, and then you click on browse. On browsing, you have to choose the location of your file. So we go to documents, and then we choose our file, which is of this format. Just click it and then click open. After that, just click on a checkbox and then submit, and you are done. After submitting, wait for the confirmation that successfully submitted, and then you just open your summary of your returns. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.